Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft portion of the Boohoo Back to School program. So if you've picked up your kit, you should have a lot of fun things inside. You have a little sheet that tells you what's inside, and you'll have some pages here. You'll have a fun fact sheet, some back to school facts, which are kind of interesting. You will have a back to school word search. And you'll have Mr. Evans' instruction sheet. Oh, there goes my phone. So Mr. Evan was very excited to do this craft for you. So I hope you'll enjoy it. And what else will we have in here? Oh, you're going to have a fun dinosaur sticker you can put on your shirt, or you can put on one of your copybooks or in a sticker book. Then you will have 2 pieces of aluminum foil, and you will have a couple toothpicks, and you will also have a cutout shape like a book. See, right there. So we are doing this craft, and it's going to be based on the idea of a Hamsa. And a Hamsa is traditionally found in Middle East and Middle Eastern countries, and it's supposed to be a talisman to promote good luck, or like a good luck charm. And it's usually in the shape of a hand with the eye, which you've probably seen, like you have right there. But in this case, because this is to promote good luck for the coming school year, we cut it out in the shape of a book. And then what you're going to do is we're going to cover it with the foil, and we're going to carve, not really carve, but inscribe into the foil. You can use words or shapes or curlicues or anything you want that you think will bring you good luck for the school year. So you're going to take your foil, and we gave you 2 sheets, because in case you use one and it's not what you really want to do, you can take it off and do another one. Okay. Or you can cut another shape. If you have some foam board lying around, you can cut your own shape and you can make another one. So we're going to take the shiny part face down, put your shape on top of it. So it looks like this. Okay. And then you're just going to gently fold over the edges. And the other thing you can do is you can also put it down like this, and you can gently trace it and cut it out and use a glue stick and glue it on. Okay, so but for now I'm just going to turn over. And then you see that there are curves here, so I'm just going to gently turn it over and then push it down into the curves. And I'm going to do the same with this side. There's a little curve there. Push it down. That's a nice thing about foil. It's very malleable. Okay. And then if it's just shifting a little bit, you can certainly tape the back, like I'm going to do. There. Okay. There. Push that in. There. How's that? The shape of our book. Okay. And then now what you can do is you can use your toothpick, or you can use a slightly unsharpened pencil if you want, and you can draw pictures or designs, patterns, words. So on one side I'm going to put a peace sign, because I want the school year to be peaceful for everybody. And on the other side I'm going to put a heart, so that everybody's kind to each other. You can kind of see it there. And then you can also use, so you can leave it like that. You can just leave like the shapes that you've put in there, the inscribing that you've done. Or you can add some color to it with a Sharpies work really well if you have them at home. So I'm going to do my heart in a red Sharpie. You can see that the Sharpie adheres really well to the foil. You can probably use regular markers too. Then I'm going to use purple, and I'm going to put little lines around my heart to show that it's a beating happy heart. So you can see there, see the little purple lines. And then I'm going to get like a magenta color. And I'm just going to loosely color it in. And then for my peace sign, I have some glow-in-the-dark dimensional fabric paint. You can use regular paint or markers. I just thought this would be fun to try, whatever you have lying around. And also if you have other embellishments, you know, like mica flakes or buttons or beads, not really big beads though, because they might fall off. Small beads, sequins, things like that. You can also glue them on. So there's that. Okay, and then I'm going to, across the top, I'm going to write 2021, because that's this year. And when we get back from the winter break, which will be in a few months, believe it or not, it will be 2022. So I'm going to write that on this side. I'm going to write 2021 and 2022. And then I thought I would take the white paint, and you can use glue too, and I'm going to go over it and do 20, 21. Or if you're good writing with the paint, you don't even have to write it with the pencil first. It does come out really fast, whether it's glue or paint, so you gotta be a little careful there. And if you're writing something, it might kind of merge into each other, but that's okay. Can you kind of see how it's 2021, 2022? And then I thought what I would do is to add a little sparkle and use my mica flakes. Oops, but first I'm going to get my paper plate so it doesn't get all over. I'm just going to gently put some over top. Put my lid back on. And I'm going to just, and there, oh look at that, it's all sparkly. I could have done it in a different color, but I thought it would look cool, the silver on silver. So now I have texture and sparkles. Okay, and then I thought I would take one of my markers and I'm gonna write some of the subjects that I like. Like I like art, and I like creative writing. That's a mouthful. And I also like history. Okay, so I wrote some things there. Turn it around so you can see. See? And again, you can add more embellishments, more decoration, whatever you would like to do. And so you can, there's a lot of things you can do with your Hamsa. You can, if you have any magnets at home, you can glue them to the back and keep it on your, if you have one of those magnetic bulletin boards or on your fridge. You can also, with the help of a grown-up, you can, if you have a hole punch, you can hole punch through here, put some yarn through and hang it somewhere in your room, hang it in your locker, or hang it from your backpack if you want. Or if you want to just keep it special, you can put it in a special envelope and just keep it somewhere inside your backpack, so only you know about it. And this will be your talisman or your lucky charm to bring you good luck for the school year. So I hope you've enjoyed making this. Please take a picture of it or you with it if you want, and we will post it to our to the library's Facebook page. Email it to me at ggatto@lmls.org, and I am looking forward to seeing the beautiful creations that you've made. And have a great year this year at school, and please come in and visit us at the library. Bye.